You probably use your iPhone every single day, but what if I told you there are features hidden inside your phone that Apple never really talks about? Some of these can save you time, boost your productivity, and honestly, a few of them feel like secret hacks. Let's jump into 10 hidden iPhone features you'll wish you knew sooner. Let's start with something most people have no idea exists. Your iPhone actually has a hidden button on the back. It's called Back Tap, and once you turn it on, you can double tap or triple tap the back of your phone to trigger actions. For example, you can take a screenshot, open your camera, or even turn on your flashlight just by tapping the back of your phone. To enable it, just go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, and then Back Tap. Once you try this, it feels like a shortcut you didn't know you needed. Typing on your iPhone can be frustrating when you're trying to edit text, but here's a trick. If you press and hold the space bar, your keyboard turns into a trackpad. Now you can move your cursor smoothly across the screen instead of tapping and guessing. It's one of those small features that makes a big difference. You don't need a separate app to scan documents anymore. Your iPhone can do it built right into the Notes app. Just open a note, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Documents. It automatically detects the page, straightens it, and even enhances the quality. Perfect for students, teachers, or anyone dealing with paperwork. Next is the live text feature. This one feels like magic. Your iPhone can actually read text directly from photos, so if you take a picture of a sign, a document, or even handwritten notes, you can copy and paste that text instantly. You can even point your camera at something in real time and interact with the text. This is incredibly useful when you're grabbing information quickly. If you're tired of spam calls, the Silence Unknown Callers feature is a game changer. Your iPhone can automatically silence calls from numbers you don't recognize. They won't ring, but they'll still show up in your call log. You can turn this on in Settings under Phone, then Silence Unknown Callers. It's a simple way to reduce distractions instantly. Did you know your iPhone has a hidden photo folder? You can hide photos or videos so they don't appear in your main gallery. Just select a photo, tap Share, and choose Hide. Then, in your settings, you can even lock that hidden album with Face ID. This is great for privacy. Visual Lookup is one of the coolest features. If you take a photo of something like a plant, a pet, or even a landmark, your iPhone can identify it. Just swipe up on the photo and tap the info icon. It will give you details about what you're looking at. It's like having a mini search engine built into your camera. Focus mode lets you control when and how notifications reach you. You can create custom modes for work, sleep, or personal time. For example, during work hours, you can block social apps and only allow important contacts. It helps you stay focused without constantly checking your phone. Drag and drop between apps is super useful, but rarely talked about. You can drag photos, text, or files from one app to another. For example, you can hold down a photo, switch apps, and drop it into a message or email. It feels a bit like using a computer, but on your phone. Here's a hidden gem. You can turn your live photos into videos. Just open a live photo, tap the share button, and select Save as Video. It's a great way to bring your photos to life and make quick content. It's kind of crazy how many useful features are hidden inside the iPhone, and most people never even discover them. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more videos like this with hidden features, tech tips, and AI tools, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.